Big question, does the St. Louis County Executive's mask mandate continue this morning, or was it canceled Tuesday night when the County Council voted to end it? We've got Fox 2 legal analyst Chet Pleban joining us. And Chet, this is all about rules. And we're at 6 feet here. Seriously, though.
There you go.
I had to measure that out. This is a disagreement over what some call public safety and others call liberty and freedom and choice.
Well, let me tell you what the law is, generally speaking.
Okay.
In a public health crisis, public health requirements, regulations, when they collide with your civil liberties or your civil rights lose. This isn't new. This was decided back in 1905 in a case called Jacobson versus the state of Massachusetts. That case involved a smallpox vaccine where Jacobson decided he wasn't going to take it, and so they prosecuted him. He was convicted by a jury, fined $5. He appealed his case to the United States Supreme Court, and the United States Supreme Court said, no, that conviction will stand because it's the public good that we're talking about in case of a health crisis.
Did he die of smallpox?
I don't know.
We don't know that story.
I think maybe eventually he probably got the vaccine.
But in this argument, you've got Councilmember Tim Fitch, who said that Sam Page violated this new state law by not first consulting the county council.
Well, here's how my understanding of how this thing works, and it's new. I think Parson just signed this about a month ago.
Right.
So what happens is that the county executive or any political subdivision can go ahead and issue some kind of a public health order. They have, in a non-emergency situation, that order can exist for a period of, I think, 21 days, I believe.
Okay.
And then after that, the council has to vote to extend it. In the case of an emergency, it can exist, I believe it is, for some 30 days. So I don't believe that the county executive has to go to the council in the first instance to get their approval. Now the question is, and of course, like every other statute that we have in the state of Missouri, it's vague. The question is whether or not after that regulation is put into place by the county executive, can the county council then step in within that 21 or 30-day period and say, no, we don't want this. The way the House bill was written, I don't think necessarily that they can, but I guess the court will
So this
decide.
debate's not going to go away. And then you've got Missouri Attorney General Eric Schmidt, who, he filed a lawsuit to stop the mandate, temporary restraining order and preliminary injunction. When does that go to court?
Well, I don't know. In a preliminary injunction, those are quick settings and quick decisions by the court. But John, at the end of the day, everything that we do in life is risk-reward. Everything you do, everything I do. When I leave here and I go to the office, there's a risk. There's a risk I might get into an automobile accident. So when you're looking at this and you're saying, okay, for me, when I analyze the risk-reward on whether or not I get the vaccine or I don't get the vaccine, and I looked at the number of deaths that have occurred because of COVID, it was a no-brainer for me. I went to my doctor, a healthcare provider, and I said, what do you think? He said, get the vaccine. Yes. You have, 160 million people who have gotten this vaccine. So now we're arguing about whether or not we wear a mask in a public place. The other thing about the county executive order is whether or not it restricts access to businesses. I don't know. The court, I guess, is going to have to define what restrict means. You can still go to a restaurant. You just have to wear the mask when you go into the restaurant. You can take it off when you eat. When you go to the bathroom, I guess you put the mask back on, and then when you leave, you put the mask on. So, get the vaccine.
Yeah, I just say use your common sense.
That's it.
Yeah. Chet, thanks so much for coming in. We appreciate it.